Hello friends, welcome to my channel Madhu Management. My name is Madhu Kumar. Today in this video, I have to give brief introduction about overall equipment effectiveness.
OEE.
What is overall equipment effectiveness? Overall equipment effectiveness is an index to judge production in terms of machine availability, production rate and quality rate of the product. For TPM and lean manufacturing programs, overall equipment effectiveness is a key metric. And also it is an important characteristic of capacity planning, material planning and other resource planning. What is availability in OEE? Availability shows the machine available duration for manufacturing or for how much time our machine is available for manufacturing. Availability major losses are breakdown, setup and adjustment. What is performance rate in OEE? Performance shows the excess time taken for manufacturing as compared to standard operating time. Performance major losses are small stops and reduced speed. What is quality rate in OEE? Quality focus on identifying time that was wasted by producing a product that does not meet quality standards. By comparing the quantity of good to reject parts, the percentage of time actually adding the value. By producing good product is exposed. The major quality losses are product rejection and production rejection.
Subscribe to this channel. OEE.
Calculations with example. Let's assume below data to understand overall equipment effectiveness calculation. Shift duration 8 hours. Planned break 50 minutes. Breakdown 35 minutes. Ideal production rate 1 part per minute. Total parts produced 342 numbers. Rejection parts 5 numbers. Good parts 337 numbers. Planned production time equal to total available time minus planned break. That is 480 minutes minus 50 minutes. The planned production time is 430 minutes. The next one is actual production time. The actual production time equal to planned production time minus breakdown. That is 430 minutes minus 35 minutes. The actual production time is 395 minutes. We know the planned production time and actual production time. Now easily calculate the availability. Just we have actual production time divided by planned production time. 395 divided by 430. The availability is 0.91. In terms of percentage, 91%. Before going to calculate the performance, now we have to calculate the actual production rate. The actual production rate is equal to total count divided by total run timing. That is equal to 342 divided by 395. The actual production rate equal to 0.86. Now we have to know the actual production rate, so easily calculate the performance. The performance is equal to actual production rate divided by ideal production rate is equal to 0.86 divided by 1. the performance is 0.86. In terms of percentage, 86%. Quality equal to good parts divided by total parts produced. That is 337 divided by 342. The quality is 0.98. In terms of percentage, 98%. So we know the availability, performance and quality. These are our substitutes and get OEE. The overall equipment effectiveness is equal to availability into performance into quality is equal to 0.91 into 0.86 into 0.98. The overall equipment effectiveness is 0.76. In terms of percentage, 76%. Let us see the benefits of
OEE.
get the best performance from the machinery. OEE works and speak for each and everyone. Insight into the unknown of your production. Visualize performance in simple terms. Return on investment. Great scalability. Reduce machinery repair cost, etc. Thank you for watching. For more videos, subscribe my channel.